Hi, my name is Noah Rosenfarb, and I'm a certified public accountant and tax expert with Freedom Wealth Advisors. Today's question's, what's on a tax return transcript? Well, let's talk first about how to obtain a tax return transcript. There's two easy ways. The first is to call the IRS directly. Their phone number is 800-908-9946. If you give them a call with your name and social security number, they'll be able to fax you a tax return transcript so long as you're standing by a fax machine. The other option is to fill out this form, Form 4506T, a request for tax return transcript. Once you complete this form, you could mail it in or fax it in, and the IRS will mail or fax you back your transcript. The reason people want a transcript is so they could obtain information about what was filed on their tax return. Oftentimes this is requested by banks or financial institutions, and other times it may be useful when you're unclear about whether or not your tax return was filed, whether it was filed appropriately, or what information maybe your spouse filed that you were unaware of. So tax return transcripts are often helpful. They'll provide you with a summary description of all the line items on your tax return, and the tax return transcripts are a little different than a copy of your tax return. The only things that'll be different are the format, and some of the content would be summarized and not displayed line item by line item. So if you need actual copies of your tax return, the IRS charges you a fee for that. So usually people will order the transcript. If there's something that they still need to know that they haven't been able to find on the transcript, they'll pay the $60 or so to have a tax return copy sent to them. But use the tax return transcript system. The IRS does make it easy, and it's free, so go for it. My name is Noah Rosenfarb. I'm a certified public accountant and tax professional with Freedom Wealth Advisors.